Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Killer. Today we are again back with another problem solving question. So today's question, if I have to just calculate just by the lines, like how much lines of code I have to write, it will be around 4 to 5 lines at max. But the concepts or new data structure which I will be telling in this video will be helpful for you in the upcoming lectures. So today we will be understanding a new data structure with which we can solve certain things. I will be explaining bit about that data structure and then you can research on it or you can go on Google and search about it and learn about it. So firstly, let's see the problem statement and then let's see where we need to implement that data structure which I was telling. So this is the problem statement. Now let's take the screenshot and do it in our traditional authentic way in which what we used to do is we used to take the screenshot, paste it here. Although today's question it is on Calvium Livebook, so I will be pasting the link of this problem statement. In this, you can see that there are different libraries which has been imported here. So what you can see is we can't delete the portions. Like we can also delete this, but we can't edit these portions. So these are just like simple taking input vector and then pushing back into that vector and then giving us an function. So they are sort of like working on making it similar to the lead code, we can say, in which we have to just write the function. But these things, I think you should have understood the implementation of these. Now let's understand the problem statement, what we have, what we need to find, and what to do in this. So our task is to write a program to remove all the duplicates and return the length of the sorted array of distinct elements consisting of all the elements should be distinct. That is the point. What we have to do is, if I have to just give a brief about it, we will be given up an array, and what we have to do is we have to remove all the duplicates in that array. Although if I will remove some parts like sorted, unsorted, or whatever it is, if I will remove those parts, and if then I have to tell you what sort of thing we have to do. So it is like if in the array there are different numbers which are already present, and if we have to remove the duplicate, just suppose if 1 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here, 1 is again here, 2 is here, 4 is here. Now, if we have to remove the duplicates, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. How to do that? And then we have to return the length of it. Yeah. So that might be thing, but let's think about like what approach we can follow in the first instance. Then I will tell you the better approach. Or I can. This question is not for the approach. Basically, this is just to let you introduce you with the new data set. That is a set data type. I will be telling you later. So what we can do is, what if we take this array, we sort this array from the beginning till the end. So what will happen eventually? It will become something like 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, and 4. And now what we can do is we can make another array or like temp array we can say. In that we will check if the number on which we are present, if next number is similar to it. If it is, just add this and get to the next element and then check if it is not, in that case we will add it. If it is equal, then we will wait and we will go till the end. So that's how we can somehow like make a approach in which we have to make a temporary array, we have to sort it off, and we have to do several things while solving this problem. Now, what if I tell you, we can use something else in this, talking about a data type. What if we use set data type here? Like you might didn't know about the set type. So let me give you a brief definition about it. So set is, if I have to give a definition of set data type, so it will be like removing all the duplicates and making it into sorted order is what set data type do. So remove the sorted order. Just think about the question and problem statement only. So set data type, if we put something inside set, so just suppose if I make a set data type as uh, XYZ is a set data type. Now, first of all, I push 1 inside it, then I pushed 5 inside it, then I push 28 inside it, then I again push 1 inside it, then I again push 28 inside it, then I again push 10 inside it. So what all will be the values which will be stored inside it? It's not like 1 will be stored 2 times. It will be in this format: 1, 5, 10, 28. So duplicates will get for sure removed in a set data type. That's what I want. That's what I want to tell to you, and that's how we can solve this problem in way more easier way. So now, if we go to the problem statement, now let's see what we have to do. So a vector int a is already given to us, means array is the input, or we can say vector is the input given to us. Now what we can do is we can take a set, we can make a set. Now, how does a set work is like if you have just of the bit of the knowledge about vector data type. So when you initialize the vector, you write it like this: vector int arr, or vector string uh, str. So this is the way in which you write for the vector. Same case you have to write for the set also, but here just you have to write set. After that, you have to write uh, the data type which you will be using. So we'll be given array of like integers. So I will be writing int and naming it as whatever we want, xyz, or result. And then what we have to do is we have to take that whole array which we have, like whole vector which we have, which we are getting from getting it as an input, and then insert it inside our set. And at the end, we just need to find the size of this XYZ set. And that's all what we want. Now let's try to code this off. First of all, as I have told you, first of all, we have to make a set data type. So writing just set int. Now int will be the data type which we will be using, and the name convention which we have to use, we can write it as result. Now, upcoming step which I have told you, we have already made that set. Now we just need to insert it. What we have to insert? Our vector. So I will be taking this result, and then I will be writing insert, and what I have to insert is from is begin to a dot end, means from the starting till the end. And in the problem statement it is written like we have to what we have to do is we have to like give the size of that array. So I will be returning, what you have to return is for sure results size. Result dot size is what we have to return. So right now tell me, will this work or will this not work? I have written the code which will work for sure, like according to the steps, but will it work? And the answer will be no. And the reason is we didn't imported a library. For this, it will say set is not declared in the scope. Now, many of you might just go and just write one thing, uh, like, okay, we can just write this only, bit slash std plus dot h, and it will work, so so like we can use this now, like it will import all the libraries and we will be done with it. But what I want to say, like, right now you can see that all the test cases got passed, but what I want to tell you is using this set data type is not just like you're using a shortcut or something like that. You are actually implementing STL, standard template library, which is in CPP, in which there are some predefined function method data types which are already been created, and you need to have knowledge about that to have a good hand in your language. So that's why you need to learn about STL. This is a part of STL only set. I didn't made it by myself. It is already in standard template library. And what we do is with this, we import that whole library. But what happens in competitive programming, if you want to have a good understanding of STL, that means you should know for each of the function what you have to import. So just like for using a vector, we import a vector. For this also we have to use set. Same in other cases also. Like if you can use C math and all operators based on that, like include algorithm and those based on the use cases, then it will be way more beneficial because it will not make the code bulky because we are not importing everything here. So now cases are also getting fast. So that's all for the video. So if you have still doubt in like in this specific problem, how will this work or like how the set works actually, so you can just go and you can just like learn about it on the Google because see, more the attempts you will give, more practice you will do, then you will be able to solve these questions. Like if I have to give you example is in front of you. Like first time I have solved this question is in January this year, 13th of January. Then I solved it in Feb. Then again you can see the dates are different, 6th Feb, then 15th of Feb, then 16th of Feb. In Feb I have practiced it a lot. And then again I came back in October and then I solved the question in front of you. So practice makes the man perfect. You will understand it once and then it will be easier for you in the upcoming cases. So that's all for the video. I hope you liked it and I hope you will solve it. I will paste the question link in the description. So go check it out and solve the problem. So that's all. Thanks for watching.